Hello everyone, this is Loverly from Global Health Travel Patient Care Team, and tonight we are having a video testimonial of one of our patients who went through Global Health Travel to have a surgery here in Bangkok. So I'd like to introduce to you to Miss Yana. Hi Yana.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
Okay, first question is, how do you find about Global Health Travel?
I'm very pleased with Global Health Travel. I checked them out on the internet and they had very good reviews on their webpage, and they definitely looked after me. I'm very pleased I went with them.
What made you decide to finally come here in Bangkok and do the surgery?
A girlfriend of mine had a breast augmentation quite a few years ago and she was very, very happy with it. And she told me all about the team and how they looked after her and how she didn't have to worry about anything. And she was a very shy person who had never been out of Australia before, never been on an aeroplane before. So it was a very big thing for her to come here and to put her trust into Global Health Travel to do her surgery.
Oh, that's good. What did you had, like a procedure?
I had a neck lift and a lower face lift, but lower face lift, some of them are sort of up to here and some of them a bit higher, and mine is higher. So I suppose everything from my eyebrows down has been lifted.
It did. Yeah. So who's your doctor?
Dr. Nond.
And how do you find Dr. Nond?
He was wonderful. He was very respectful. He listened to everything. I had 101 questions and he patiently answered all of them, and I was actually very pleased to put myself in his hands. By the time I got to the hospital for the surgery day, apart from feeling a little bit nervous as you would with any surgery, I was really very confident that I was in very good hands.
Yeah, I agree with that. And you've stayed in the hospital, Bumrungrad Hospital, for one night.
One night.
And what can you say about the hospital?
It's it'd have to be 4-star plus. The staff are incredible. The nurses are amazing. The room was absolutely beautiful, better than you would get in a lot of hotels. And they were incredibly attentive and looked after every single one of my whims.
Wow, indeed. And you've stayed in Global Health Recovery Apartments.
I did.
Yes, and what can you say about your stay in there?
I would recommend anybody who was coming over to at least stay in the apartments for the first week, because post-surgery you do need a lot of support, and the team are just fantastic. They do everything from making sure that you're okay, that you're eating. In my case, I couldn't open my lips very far and I had to suck everything through a straw. This was 9 days ago. And consequently I had everything mashed up. I had soup brought to me. I had the team looking after my stitches and cleaning, making sure that everything was, there was no infections, that there was not a problem at all. And had there been, I know that I would have been taken back to the hospital, or my doctor would have been contacted immediately. So I'm quite confident of that.
Well, thank you. And how would you rate the Global Health Travel Patient Care Team?
As high as I could.
Oh, thank you.
The girls
That's very
are wonderful.
nice to
Absolutely.
hear. And can you describe your overall experience here in Bangkok?
I was under the impression that because I had such major surgery, because it really is quite a lot of surgery, that I wouldn't be travelling around, that I probably wouldn't get to see much of Bangkok. But I'm telling you, on the 4th day, I was already off on my first excursion. with my head wrapped up and heading off into the into the unknown with the wonderful Johnny on one of his organised tours. So once again, I wasn't left to fend for myself. Johnny does tours, and you basically just allow yourself to be shown around by him. So yes, that was very good. I was surprised.
Well,
Yeah.
Are you happy?
I'm very happy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, for those people who are coming here in Bangkok to have surgery, what would you recommend, or what are your tips for them?
I think my tips are, of course, research everything. Make sure that you research your doctors and make sure that you do all that, because it's very important that you're comfortable with your doctor. The Global Health Travel team in Australia recommended 2 or 3 doctors to me, and I actually investigated them myself and chose the one that I felt suited me, and I think I made an excellent choice. I think be aware of the fact that it's still reasonably serious stuff. It's not, you know, it's not really all that much fun and games, especially the first couple of days. But Bangkok is an amazing place. I'm loving it. I think I've never shopped so much in my entire life. Allow yourself to be guided by the patient care team in respect of what is good for you and what isn't, because they've seen many clients, and they know if you need a bit of a push to get out of bed and do something, and they know when you should be lying down and taking it easy. So I think that that's very important, that you just listen to them, let them look after you, let them do what they're really good at, and then take your cue from that.
And last question, Yana. Would you recommend Global Health Travel to your friends and family?
I definitely will. I was a little bit of a guinea pig.
Wow.
Because I came here on my own, I had people going, "Oh my God, you're going to Thailand for surgery," and they were very concerned and so forth. And they basically said, "Well, we'll wait and see what you look like when you come back."
But you look so beautiful now, so young.
Yeah.
So they'd be surprised.
Oh, they'll be very
when you
surprised.
Get home.
I've sent back a couple of photos, but I've kind of left the big reveal for when I get back.
Yeah.
But next year I'm actually intending on coming back and having my teeth done, because part of my package was that they organised a dental appointment for me, where I basically had my entire teeth assessed, so that the next time that I come, I have an idea of what the cost will be and what they're able to do and what they're not able to do for me. And now I feel very comfortable, but booking my trip next year and knowing that I'll go back home with a wonderful smile to match my face.
Wow. Well, we'll be looking forward to that. And thank you, Yana, for giving this opportunity for us, to talk to you, to have this conversation. And you're flying home tomorrow.
I'm flying home tomorrow.
Early tomorrow.
Very early tomorrow.
Have a safe flight home.
Thank you.
We will see you again.
Okay.
Take care,
Bye-bye.
always. Bye.